Hi everyone, let's talk about how to use WhatsApp AI writing help feature. So to use this feature, head to your WhatsApp and then tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down to chats. Now find a private processing on the screen. Since this feature is not enabled in my region, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. But if you can see on yours, select private processing from your screen and then toggle the private processing switch to on. Now, once enabled, you can quickly polish your text directly inside your conversation windows. Just go back to your chats and select a person, specific person you want to send the text. Then type out a rough draft of your text in the message field and look at your text bar. The standard sticker icon will morph into a pencil icon. Now tap the pencil icon to open the Meta AI suggestion tray and then select from predefined preset tones like professional, funny, supportive, rephrase, or proofread. Now tap your favorite AI alternative to replace your draft, tweak it if needed, and hit send. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.